Welcome to Phinixx app, where we provide you with an easy and hassle-free way to place orders. In this tutorial video, we will guide you through the process of ordering food or groceries on our app. Let's start with the restaurant category. When you open the app, you will see a slider displaying any ongoing offers or promotional banners. Then, you can browse through all the categories served by the restaurants. Click on each category to view the restaurants serving it. You can also check out the top vendors, most discounted items, and top coded food items. Additionally, you can explore the new restaurants and a list of all vendors available on Phinixx. Now, let's move on to the grocery category. After selecting the category, you can browse through the grocery categories and the vendors that offer them. A slider section displays any promotion offers and benefits. Then, you can select a vendor and browse through their items. You can either select any category you want to browse or search for it directly. Once you find the items you want to purchase, add them directly to your cart. You can also add items from other categories. When you're done adding items to your cart, click on the cart to finalize your order. If you have a coupon code, apply it here. We always offer discounted prices to our customers without any coupon code. You can add a tip for our delivery executives if you wish, which will be forwarded to them directly. Additionally, you can add any extra notes for your vendor. You can place a delivery order in two ways, ASAP and scheduled delivery. For ASAP delivery, you need to directly place an order without selecting the schedule order option. First, select your delivery address. If you've already added an address, simply click on the Select button and choose from your address book. If you need to add a new delivery address, select the New option. Write the address title and location in the next column. You can drop a pin on the map to accurately select your delivery location. Once confirmed, write a detailed address including flat number, floor number, building name, landmark, city, and pin code. Click Save and select your delivery address. Next, choose a payment method to proceed. If you select cash or QR code, your order will be placed directly, and you can hand over the cash or scan the QR code at delivery to pay. Alternatively, you can pay using Phinixx Wallet, which is the most efficient way to pay quickly. If you have sufficient amount in your Phinixx Wallet which is more than or equal to your order amount, then all you have to do is select Phinixx Wallet as your payment method and click on Place Order button to easily and quickly place your order. If you do not have sufficient amount in the wallet, you can always add directly to your Phinixx Wallet without any charges for hassle-free future payments. You can check out this video which explains how to use Phinixx Wallet easily. If you select net banking or international payment, you will be directed to the payment gateway after clicking Place Order. Fill in your contact number and select your payment method. You can pay securely using your debit or credit card, international cards, net banking, or wallets. If you select UPI, debit or credit card, you will be directed to the Paytm gateway. Here, the easiest way to pay is by selecting your UPI app on your phone and paying through it quickly. You can also pay using your UPI ID or phone number. Alternatively, you can pay using your debit or credit card. Select the option and enter your card details securely. You will be directly redirected to your bank page to complete your transaction. You can also pay using net banking from select banks. If you are a Paytm user, you can pay directly using Paytm. Enter your Paytm number to log in securely and complete the transaction. Once your payment is completed, your order is placed successfully. You can check all your pending and previous orders in the My Orders section with a few taps. If you face any issues with your payment such as network or connectivity problems, or if the payment status shows as pending instead of successful, don't worry. Simply contact our customer support team at +919325574855 and we'll help you out and resolve the issue in no time. If you cancel your order before it's accepted and you've already paid for the order, the paid amount gets directly credited to your Phinixx wallet. The same happens if the vendor cancels your order due to unavailability or other reasons. If your payment could not be completed or if there is some other issue, you can retry payment in the My Orders section. Once your order is successfully placed, you will see the status of your order and its timeline. You will also see a list of items you have ordered, the quantity, and the rates. You can contact the restaurant or vendor directly through call or chat through the app. Similarly, you can chat with the delivery executive or call them directly once they are assigned to your order. Once the order status changes to en route, you can track your order in real time on the map. Once the delivery executive reaches your location, they will contact you and deliver your order successfully. After successful completion of the order, you can rate your vendor and delivery executive according to your experience out of 5 stars and provide feedback. This concludes our guide to place an ASAP order for quick as soon as possible delivery. Also, an alternative method of placing an order is by scheduling it in advance. This allows you to schedule a grocery order one day ahead of time to ensure timely delivery of high-quality items the following day. Click on the tick box of the schedule order and select a date. Then, you will see the available delivery slots. Select the time, follow the general process, and place your order to get next day timely and fresh delivery at your doorstep. We hope this tutorial video was helpful for you. Thank you for using Phinixx app, and we look forward to serving you again. But wait, don't go just yet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who may also benefit from it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching and happy ordering with Phinixx.